In this video, brought to you by Trashbots, you will learn about the flashlight activity. For this activity, you will use Python to turn your Trashbot into a flashlight with two modes, regular and strobe. Step 1. Gather materials. Gather a computer, a Trashbot, and a micro USB. Step 2. Code. Code a program that activates or deactivates the screen when button A is pressed and turns on strobe when button B is pressed, which means it flashes 5 times in 1 second with even intervals. Step 3. Test. Test your code. Does it work as expected? What happens when you activate strobe when the screen is on? Step 4. Refine. Try to identify the bugs, if any, that are preventing your code from working. Brainstorm and code methods to fix them. Step 5. Test again. With your new code, run the same tests as you did in Step 3 and evaluate. What happened to your program? Step 6. Reflect. What challenges did you face in this activity, and how did you overcome them? Is there anything you particularly liked or disliked about this task? For more projects, visit trashbots.co/lessons.